Hello and welcome to ELA. Today is Friday, January 22nd. Today, our focus is Chapter 10 of Liddy. Our learning target is I will read Chapter 10 of Liddy, paying close attention to the working conditions at the mill factory. I will then test my reading comprehension of Chapter 10 by completing the quiz on the Canvas modules page. Hopefully by this point, you have watched chapters 1 through 8, the Liddy movie. You've read chapter 9 yesterday. You noticed some poor working conditions already, such as noise and air pollution. And as you read chapter 10 today, you're going to continue looking for other examples of working conditions. Having to wake up at 4:30 in the morning, as a teenager like Liddy is, that is, forced child labor. And as a growing teenager, you definitely would need your sleep too. So that's definitely not a healthy situation for Liddy. Think about having to go work in a dangerous mill and you have to wake up at 4:30 to do that. Today, you need to make sure that you read chapter 10 one of several different ways. Today's Ed puzzles are only one part. There's not two parts. The chapters aren't as long as chapter 9. So you have three different options for viewing. You have mountaintop, mountainous, and then a straight ahead. Mountaintop is the most challenging. Mountainous is challenging. And then straight ahead is not easy, but definitely manageable. You could also just listen to a reading of Liddy that is also on Ed Puzzle, or you can read. And yesterday I didn't click on this link during this video, but it's also here. The online link for the Liddy book. If you click on that, you will go to the copy of the text. The only difference here from this and the Long Walk to Water one is the chapters aren't divided up. So you actually have to just scroll through. But if you do that, it scrolls quickly and you just would move down to chapter 10. And chapter 10 is, Oliver, and it's on page 74. That's what you would do, and you could read it online, or if you picked up your materials on Wednesday at school, you have a copy of Liddy that you can read as well. If we look at the agenda, after you read the chapter, you need to take the quiz. If you were in class, we would have done jam boards and a breakout room discussing chapter 9 and then moving on to chapter 10. Hopefully, I will see you on Monday. Next week, we are going to, Monday's a half day. Tuesday, we'll have the writing tasks. Then we'll also cover chapters 11 through 13. Move on from there. We'll do 14 through 17. We're going to finish the book with the video like we started it. Remember that all work from this week is due the 26th, and that marking period 2, the last day to hand in work, is Friday, January 29th, which is a week from today. Have a great day and a great weekend. Big game for Buffalo Sunday against the Chiefs, one way away from the Super Bowl. Go Bills, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.